You have too many clothes that you don't wear. Wear them or they're gone. They're out of here. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Thank you so much for joining me here today on my happy corner of the internet. How are you? You look beautiful. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Today we are taking a deep dive into my closet to do a spring cleaning and reorganizing. And I'm gonna give you some of my best tips to help you reorganize your closet as well. Who are you to tell me how to clean out my closet? I'm glad you asked. I have been professionally organizing and cleaning out closets for clients for years. Trust me. I've seen it all. Here I have compiled my best tips that work in most cases. This will help you achieve this look at home yourself with what you have. Feel free to drop your questions below so that I can help you out. People pay big money for me to do this for them, and you're getting these tips for free. First things first, you have to take everything out of your closet. Everything, all of it. This is the closet, the dresser, that spare closet that you have somewhere else, that under the bed. Everything, all of it, it needs to come out. Pro tip, lay out all the clothes on your bed so that you have to get through it all before you go to bed that night. If you feel like this is too overwhelming of a task, make a section and put those clothes on your bed that you know that you can get through in that day. Try to get through everything in one day, but if it takes a little bit more time, that's okay, but give yourself a goal of how much you should be accomplishing each day. If it feels like you have too many clothes and you can't get this done in one day, you probably need to get rid of some stuff. Ooh. I know. Ooh, I know. You don't like me right now. I'm just being honest with you. If you feel overwhelmed by the amount of clothing that you have, get rid of some of it, and then you'll feel less overwhelmed. Next, it's time to deep clean. This goes for every space, in every drawer, on every shelf. Here you can see me wiping down all of our wire shelves in our closet. They look white, but they were not. They were like completely black with dust and it was disgusting. Clean it. Wipe it all down, wipe it out, clean it out. You can do this. Another great pro tip, clean from top to bottom. If you vacuum first and then you do all the dusting on the shelves, then all the dust falls to the floor and the vacuuming that you just did becomes useless and you have to vacuum again anyway, which creates more work for yourself. Same thing when you're dusting shelves. Top shelf on down. If you dust the bottom shelf and then go up to the top shelf, then the dust from the top shelf falls down onto the bottom shelf that you just dusted. Work smarter, not harder. Efficiency is everything. This part of the process is really great to do in the morning so that when you're cleaning, you can get all of the deep cleaning done, and then you can open the windows, turn on the fan, and let the cleaning scents dissipate so that you're not sleeping with any heavy chemicals or any heavy scents at night, because that can really disturb your sleep. Many of my colleagues in this industry suggest that you clean out your closet every 3 months. Now I know that's a lot. That's far more often than most of us have time for. I suggest carving out the time to do this twice per year. This gives you 2 chances out of the year to clean out items that are no longer serving you. It gives you enough time to work with the system that you have and see if you need to reevaluate it and make it work better for you. I love using these rings and labeling them to organize my clothing by category and then by color. This system varies from person to person, so take inventory of what you have. Do you own and often wear a lot of dresses? Maybe you want to organize them by hem length or sleeve length and then by color. These dividers make it so easy. Once you wash and line dry your pieces, you can easily file them right back into the place where they go. That way, the next time you go to clean out your closet, it's pretty much done for you. Creating less work for ourselves in the future, so that your future self can say, hey, thanks past Megan. You're welcome, future Megan. And it's great. I also have a section with a ring divider that is for my pre-selected outfits for the week. This is so great. On a Sunday night, I can easily just pick out my outfits for the week, line them up in that section, and then I don't have to think about it again. You are in control of your wardrobe. If you are feeling overwhelmed, it is a sign that you need to get rid of some stuff and just clear out the clutter. Make it work for you. It's time to file all those clothes back into your closet. This is where you have to take some real real honest stock of your life. I know people suggest flipping each hanger, and then when you wear it, then you can put it back the right way, and that just gets to be too much of a tangled mess for me. No, thank you. I often tell clients to look through their camera roll or look through their Instagram. I don't need to see it. Don't show me. This is for you. Look through and just see, like, which pieces am I wearing? Am I wearing a lot on repeat? Have I worn this thing in the last year? Take a look at those pieces that you don't wear. Why are you not wearing them? Is there something wrong with them? Do they need to be altered? Are they too big? Too small? What's the deal? Do you need to donate some? Do you need to take some to a seamstress or alter them yourself and you just haven't yet? Get those items out of your closet. I often have a great little basket in the closet where I can just throw anything that is gonna need to be donated. I also have another basket where I keep things that need to be altered or things that just aren't really serving me at the moment, things that I might be able to refashion into something else. I keep a spot for those because currently as they are, I'm not wearing them and they're just taking up space in my closet and making it harder for me to make decisions. As humans, we are constantly evolving and your wardrobe should do the same. Just because you wore a pair of skinny jeans in high school does not mean that you need to keep them for now. I had this moment a couple years back. I was looking at these pants that I used to wear in high school and I was like, I can't fit into them anymore, boo-hoo. Then I looked at pictures of me from high school and I was not even fully developed yet. Like I hadn't even gotten my curves yet. So why would those things fit me? I wasn't even a fully grown adult yet. I'm all upset that they don't fit me. It's literally being upset because children's clothes that you wore when you were a child, don't fit you anymore. Release yourself from that shame. That is absolutely none of your business. The way that your body looked in high school is none of your business anymore. You are a woman now. To be clear, do not keep things as a someday I want to wear this again piece. This is not healthy and it's making you think that you need to fit into something that you fit into when you were a child. That's not appropriate. Remove it from your life. You change, your body changes, your style changes. It's okay. You don't have to keep things forever. Be kind to yourself and wear clothing that fits you now and feels great. That is when you look and feel your most confident. And that is the picture of health, which is what I want for you. You can apply these same steps that we used with my closet to your dresser drawers, to your underbed storage, to the coat closet. Don't forget to do that. You are the one living with your space every single day. So it's very important to decide how you want to organize things. Do you wear dresses to work every single day? Cool. Put those up in the front of your closet. Why would you put them in the back of your closet? I recently rearranged and I put all of my work from home clothing and my career work clothing, like dresses, all up in the front because I wear these the most. Why was I digging in the back of my closet for them? That doesn't make sense. That is why it's important to reevaluate every 6 months. Your life changes, your career changes, everything evolves. Your closet should evolve with you. Bonus tips. Labeling is super important, especially as you are learning your own organization system, and 2, as you are learning how to share a space with somebody else. You can have some fun with labels. You can do just your basic label maker, or you can have a lot of fun with doing hand lettering or some Photoshop signs and then stick them on however you want. You can make them go with your decor, match the colors. You can have a ball with this. Another tip for sharing a space with somebody else is that there has to be a little bit of give and take. You don't get to make the full system for the other person. It has to work for them too. For instance, I was trying to explain to my fiance that this is how you fold the shirts. They have to be folded this way. And that didn't work for him. And I realized they're in a drawer anyway. So let him handle it the way that he wants to handle it. And I'll handle my stuff the way that I want to handle it. You have to be able to compromise and make it work for both of you. If you are sharing the space, their drawers, their shelves, their side is their business. If they want help, you can absolutely help them. But if you try to come up with a system that doesn't work for them and how their brain works, it is not going to work out for you. I often help my clients create a system that they think will work for them. And then we set a date for 3 months or 6 months out. That way we can revisit and decide, hey, this worked really well here, but you know what? This wasn't working so well here. Totally fine. It should take you a few iterations to get the closet the way that you want it. So don't go out and pay for custom built-ins right away. I've helped clients do this, but I tell them and explain to them that we should come up with a less permanent situation first, see if they like how the things are folded, and then we can get crazy later on with cutting the shelves a specific way and putting them into the wall and everything. Try something first, before you fully commit to it. It would really stink if you ended up putting in all this work and spending all this money on a custom closet and then you didn't like how it turned out. Ugh. For example, I live in an apartment at the moment, so I don't have any permanent systems. Why would I spend all this time building and putting stuff into the walls when I know I'm gonna be leaving at some point? I have cubes, I have shelves, I have my hanging stuff, I put things on the shelves. I work with what I have because I know that this space is not permanent for me. I have moved these cubes that I've had since college. I've moved them with me in and out of every dorm and now across the country. They've come with me everywhere because you can easily take them apart, fold them up, take them where you're going, and then build them back up, and they can evolve with you. So you can change how the system is built up. You can add more, you can take some away. Fabulous. If you're in college, if you're in an apartment, if you're in a rental, I highly recommend these types of cubes. I believe these are from Bed Bath & Beyond. If I can find a link, I'll link them below. It is okay to change your mind. I give you permission. It's okay to change your mind. I change my mind all the time depending on my work schedule, what my life looks like at that time, how my style evolves. It's totally okay to switch things up in your closet. It never has to be permanent. Welcome to my closet. Here we are. I'm gonna show you a few things that have been very successful for myself and other clients throughout the years. Your closet does not have to look like mine or anyone else's. I'm just throwing that out there right now. Totally okay. Do what works best for you. In this space, the closet is pretty tight as the hangers kind of go out really far. Like I'm touching both Cam's clothes and my clothes at the same time. Our vision for this was to create a space where we can both get ready in the morning without bumping into each other too much. And since this is a tight space, we moved some of our clothing out into the rest of the bedroom. We have a dresser where we each get 2 drawers. We have a full-on laundry / clothing system that I'm gonna talk about in my next video. So make sure to turn on post notifications, click that bell down there, click it, so that you can be notified as soon as that video goes up. That's a whole other amazing system that has made my life and my clients' lives so efficient. Get ready for that one because that's coming next. Fun things that tend to work out for many clients. If you don't have a lot of drawer space, hang it. Just hang it. I even hang my jewelry right now in one of these hanging bags, actually in 2 of these hanging bags because I have quite a bit. Each thing has its own pocket. It's completely untangled. Everything is where it needs to be and it's protected. Then it only takes up literally an inch of space in my closet. We also have a scarf and tie hanger. This is great for when you don't have a drawer to put all your scarves and belts and ties in. Hanging your hats on a door is a fabulous way of keeping things organized and off the floor. You want to remove things from the floor as much as possible. You don't want to collect clutter on the floor. It makes the closet seem so much smaller and so much more cramped. Your closet should be a place that brings you peace. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it's the first place and the last place that you go to every single day. You wake up and you go right to your closet to get your clothes for the day. You want that to be a space that brings you peace. You don't want to be stressed out right when you wake up. Make it easy on yourself. Pre-select your outfits, have that little section ready to go. You can just go and roll out. Before you go, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who you know who needs to really get their closet into shape. Question of the day: what's your favorite article of clothing? Are you a hat girl? Do you like wearing heels? Are you a sneakerhead? Do you love skirts, dresses, jeans, sweats? Tell me. I want to know. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis.